Hello you guys, this is Yale with Miami Corvette Parts. Remember, if you like our videos, just click like, thumbs up, subscribe. This video that I'm going to be showing you guys today is to show you guys what was done in the shop installing the knock sensors on LS1. Now, it's pretty simple to replace this. If you are mechanically inclined, just remove the intake and replace the knock sensors. It's not very difficult. But if you have a shop doing the job, just make sure that you buy everything that you need, or the shop buys everything you need, like new knock sensors, new seals, and new harness. Okay, and the reason why it's important to get all this, the new harness also and the seal, is I'm gonna show you a video now what was done. And after installing it, actually the shop replaced the knock sensor twice. The symptoms still the same, and I'm gonna show you guys what we found and why it was given an issue. So please look at the videos. If you like it, if you like our videos, remember, once again, click like, subscribe, okay? So we can continue making more videos for you guys and helping you guys out. Till next time. Now, he had a shop replace the knock sensors. They put brand new sensors, and they not replace the harness. Now, this harness should be replaced together with the knock sensors. And what they did was they actually cut off the wires and splice it, okay, and repair the original ones, because it was apparently it was bad. This part of the wires were bad. It probably toasted. And so what they did is they replaced it like this and did this job. Now the customer's coming back to me now because the knock sensors still giving him issues, even though they were replaced. And we're gonna check what happened now and what's going on and why this is happening. So you guys make sure that when they replace the knock sensor, they put, especially if they do new GM knock sensors, not Chinese sensors, and replace also the harness. After reviewing the harness, look what we noticed. The cable was peeled, probably touching. So what we're gonna do is replace the knock sensors and make sure that they're working properly. Okay, so also this plate should be removed. The seal of the plate should be changed, and on the base of the knock sensor, there's always a O-ring seal that also needs to be replaced, so you don't get moisture or you don't get oil in there. Okay, so that's another suggestion I want to make you guys. So we're gonna take all this apart and make sure that it's done correctly.